Proxi Moxies are peer-nominated awards that are based around Proxibid's core values: professionalism, respect, opportunity, the X factor, and innovation. The Proxi Moxies, we give an award to an employee for embodying each of those 5 characteristics. Professionalism, Chris Edwards. For respect, Anthony Jones. Opportunity, Maria Sanchez. The X factor, Levi. Innovation, Tim Litherland.
I was in shock and awe because I had never thought that I would be nominated or even recognized for Proxi Moxie, and it made it even better that it came from one of our clients. It makes me feel really good that I'm doing right by our clients in the fact that they would go out of their way to send an email to my supervisors to nominate me, even though they didn't even know that we have the Proxi Moxie Awards.
It means the world. It means that I actually can contribute and help out people here in the company. It means my help. It was needed at the moment and it was successful, and we can help move forward and keep bringing successes to the business. Knowing that people really do care about me and my work, and knowing that they can rely on me to help them out in anything that they need means that I'm welcomed here, and it's amazing.
To win a Proxi Moxie means that you stood out among your peers. For me, it's important that I can help the people around me, closest to me, achieve their goals and achieve success. Whereas if it was just something that I can see on a spreadsheet that I wrote the most code or fixed the most bugs, that doesn't always translate into impactfulness for people that you work with. Knowing that it's peer nominated means that I've actually helped people around me, which is important.
It's a pretty big deal. I see other people winning it. I'm always proud of them for the hard work that they put into what they do, and it's really cool to be recognized for the work that I'm doing. I had no idea that I would be nominated. It's really cool to know that people I work with, for lack of a better word, impressed by what I'm doing and appreciate the work that I do and the output that I have.
They're one of my favorite times because we get to celebrate a lot of very special people who are doing very special things, and those things are not always visible to everybody, but they're making a huge impact. And I just love bringing those to light. I love the positivity, and there's really no higher compliment in the corporate world than peer recognition. And I just love the whole process to make that real.